Hey everyone, this is Shamu and I hope you're all doing good, staying safe and taking every necessary precaution. Most of us are staying at home because we are not allowed to go outside as a necessary precaution to fight coronavirus. So there are few things I want to share you while we stay at home but still be a little bit productive rather than wasting our time. So let's get started with the video. The first thing you can do is spend some time for your passions or hobbies. Like if you're stuck in a 9 to 5 job or you're a college student and you always been feeling bad that you do not have enough time for your interests or things that you love. So you have few days to spend some quality time to enhance your skills. Of course, you cannot do anything outdoor activities like traveling or hiking or any sort of adventures, but you can do indoor activities like singing, dancing or playing any musical instrument, painting, anything that can make you feel happy. Cooking. It's another great way to kill your time and keep your tummy happy as well. There are tons of recipes online, so you can try out different recipes which are healthy and tasty as well. If you have a busy life, so now you can spend some quality time with your family. So don't just submerge yourself with mobile phones and electronic gadgets, but have some conversations with your family and create some good memories. Health and fitness. We all know that staying at home can make us lazy and we can keep on munching all day long. But that's not good for our health, and falling sick is the worst thing that could happen right now because there's lockdown and it's very unsafe to be outside. So let's concentrate a little bit on our health and fitness, like eat your fruits, vegetables, nuts and everything. Also do not forget to exercise because you need to have some or other activity. Anything that you're comfortable in, like skipping, little bit of workouts, dancing or anything. So you can focus on your skin and hair. Like irrespective of your gender, take some time to make your hair and skin healthy. There are tons of tutorials online on YouTube, Instagram or internet. Like you can apply natural face masks and you can follow anything that can help your skin and hair. Cleaning and organizing. I know most of the people are busy at school, college or office and keep on giving excuses that you don't have time to clean up. So this is the time you can just go and organize and clean the stuff. Trust me, it will feel really good and you'll find a lot of stuff you think were lost. You can clean up your cupboards, you can organize your clothes, jewelry, books or anything that requires to be done. Lastly, you can do random things like watching movies or reading books or painting your nails, listening to music and anything that keeps you occupied and get through this quarantine time. Thank you for watching my video. Follow me on my Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. So yeah, meet you in my next video. Until then, stay safe and take care.